Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you 3 do-it-yourself projects you can make from a mobile phone. For the first project you'll need a USB Type-C connector. I take apart the connector and under a microscope solder a resistor to it. You'll need a 5.1 ohm resistor and you need to solder it to the 5th pin and to the ground. Here's the result. I solder a wire to ground and positive, then reassemble the connector. I connect the connector to the phone and use a multimeter to check for 5 volts at the output. As you can see, there is voltage. Next, I'll need a 220 volt LED bulb. I take apart the bulb and remove the board with the LEDs. All the LEDs on the bulb are connected in series. Use a knife to cut the trace and break the circuit between them. This is how it should look. Now, using jumpers, you need to connect the LEDs in parallel. Connect the positives to the positives and the negatives to the negatives. Now this board with LEDs will light up from 5 volts next. Take the second part of the bulb and insert a cable with a phone connector into it. Solder the wire to the LED matrix and reassemble the bulb. That's it, the do-it-yourself project is done. Now the bulb works with a mobile phone connector. This type of bulb is useful for camping. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and now let's move on to the second do-it-yourself project. For the second do-it-yourself project, use a small plywood piece and glue on 2 wooden bars. The distance between the bars should match the size of your mobile phone. Next, you need to glue an outlet to the plywood. Glue the mobile phone charger circuit board, which outputs 5 volts next to the outlet. Also, glue 2 5-volt relays and a BC 547 transistor close together. A photoresistor needs to be placed between the rails. Take a 75 ohm resistor and a cable with a plug, then connect them as shown in the on-screen diagram. That's how it turned out for me. On your phone, enable flash for incoming calls and settings. Then we put the phone on the rails and plug the fork into the socket. Plug our homemade device into the socket and turn on an appliance. Now if you call this phone, the light bulb should turn on. As you can see, everything works. When you call, the flash shines on the photoresistor and the socket turns on. The socket stays on after the phone stops ringing because the relay uses a self-latching circuit. This is the socket we chose, which can be remotely controlled with a mobile phone. Let's move on to the third do-it-yourself project. For this one, you'll need a Tic Tac box. Take out the lid and then make a few holes in it, as shown in the video. Insert the headphone jack in one port and the Type-C connector in the other. I secure everything with super glue. Attach a sliding switch near the opening lid. Now we take the board with LEDs, a 3.7 volt battery and a board for battery charge control. Next, connect everything as shown on the screen. Arrange the wires neatly, close the lid, and the do-it-yourself project is finished. As you understood, I made this. It's an additional light for a mobile phone camera. This do-it-yourself device plugs into your phone's headphone jack. See you next time. This is a simple additional light for video or photo shooting that you can make for your mobile phone. Did anyone like these do-it-yourself projects? Like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.